Hey physics! So we're starting a unit on forces and motion, and to kick that off, we're going to do an initial models Jamboard where you're going to think about if you were going to organize the ultimate tug of war and you've got 5 friends of different sizes. How would you organize them to make it totally balanced so that nobody would be able to win? So looking at this, these are your 5 friends that you're working with. Some of them are bigger and some of them are smaller. And you're going to draw your friends. So your friend has an idea of how they would like to do this. They would like to have the 2 bigger people, Shaq and The Rock, on one side, and the 3 smaller people, Anna Kendrick, Scarlett Johansson. I feel like she's pretty strong, actually, but I could be wrong. And Kevin Hart, who also is probably pretty strong, even though he's small. But 2 bigger people on the left side and the 3 smaller people on the right side. So you're going to draw what that would look like, including with some force arrows to show the direction of the pulling forces. And you can show bigger arrows to show that there's more force, or smaller arrows to show that there's less force. And then you're going to say like whether or not you agree with your friend's suggestion, and or if you would do it a different way. And what also might work better. So then in the afternoon, we're going to take this same model and we're going to look at it in the form of a simulation. We're going to use a PhET simulation to like kind of like display what that would look like and see if your prediction or your friend's prediction would work out the way that you think it would. We're going to watch a video about balanced and unbalanced forces, and then we're going to do a quick claim, evidence, and reasoning about what makes an object move based on what we see in that stuff. So then on Thursday and Friday, we're going to start looking at the types of forces. You're going to watch a video where I talk you through this slideshow about the types of forces. And while you watch that, you're going to record some notes in this slideshow. And this is yours to keep. I am going to grade on this because there's a lot of stuff that you're going to put in here. But we'll go through like what all you would need to put in there. We're going to look at what's called a system schema, which is looking at all of the different forces that are happening to an object and how that's going to impact how it's going to move. Okay? So that's this week. On Tuesday, there is PSAT testing for those of you that are going to do that. So there's no school, no async or synchronous work for Tuesday. So we have like first through third hour on Monday, 4th through 6th hour on Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday is 1st through 3rd, and then 4th through 6th. So that's the week. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.